There is a letter in English alphabets that loves to hide, and even most adults don't know its secret rule. It's letter P, and sometimes it's completely silent. Think about the word psychology. You don't say psychology. The P just disappears. Same as with pneumonia. Same with receipt. Yes, there's a silent P hiding in the middle of the word. Here is a pattern your child needs to know. P goes silent when it appears before certain letters. Before S at the start, like in psychology, psychiatric, physique. Before N at the start, like in pneumonia, pneumatic. In the middle of some words like receipt, cupboard. The P is there in the spelling, but your mouth skips it completely. And honestly, nobody taught us this either. But your child is learning right now. And that's your win as a parent. Comment decode below and I'll DM you the hidden letter guide and a practice sheet your child can use today. Save this before you scroll past it.